Good morning, sir. This is the five international social issues, international and local. So the first is digital divide. Digital divide happens when some people or communities have limited or no access to technology and the internet. Many developing countries still struggle with poor internet connection and lack of digital resources. Nationally, rural areas often experience low or expensive internet services, while locally some students lack gadgets or home Wi-Fi. Cybercrime, like scams, hacking, or fraud. Cybercrime happens when criminals use technology and in and the internet to commit illegal activities such as scams, hacking, and online fraud. Internationally, cybercriminals attack people and organizations across countries through phishing and malware. Nationally, online fraud cases continue to increase, while locally personal social media accounts are often hacked. Next is data privacy and security breaches. Data privacy and security breaches happen when confidential information is accessed to or shared without permission. International companies sometimes misuse user data, while national databases are common targets of cyber attack. Locally, school or barangay records or may be leaked due to weak security systems. Next, misinformation and fake news. Misinformation and fake news happen when false information spread online. Internationally, fake information affects global issues such as politics and health. Nationally, fake news can influence elections and public opinion. Locally, rumors spread quickly through social media and messaging applications. And cyberbullying and online harassment. Cyberbullying and online harassment happen when people use digital platforms to insult or threaten others online. Internationally, harassment occurs on social media and gaming platforms. Nationally, many students experience online bullying, while locally classmates may spread harmful comments or embarrassing posts. And, and that's all, sir. Thank you.